Hi, my name is James, and welcome to our polytunnel. I'm just going to show you around and show you what we're growing in here. So at the top here, we've been growing different kinds of different stuff for salads. So we've got spinach. We've been eating that all year round. We've put in some lettuces as well. These ones were put in maybe about 2 weeks ago or so, so they're still growing. And then we're also growing rainbow chard here as well, which is kind of almost like a cabbage, I guess. It's all different colours on the stems. They're all from the same plant as well. We're also growing cucumbers here. This variety is a tamara cucumber. So we've got about maybe 2 kgs of cucumbers from just these two plants. And still getting a lot of fruit off of it. There's one. Another thing we've been trying this year is mulch, which is this covering here. It's like this is a bark mulch, so it keeps the weeds down, keeps the moisture in the soil, and it's been really good. Like, as it breaks down, then it provides compost for the plants as well as they're growing. We're growing 2 different types of tomatoes this year. Last year we grew cherry tomatoes and plum tomatoes. So this year we're trying these beefsteak tomatoes, which are these much bigger, kind of irregularly shaped ones. So this is a French variety. It's called Marmande. This has been really, really successful for us. It makes flowers, and then it sets fruits really easily. Like there, all starting to come good now. Like big huge bunches of fruits, never any trouble. You just get flowers, it sets fruits so easily. We're trying to do some companion planting as well. So we've planted these ones with chives. They're supposed to keep off certain pests, whitefly and what have you. And that's it. So these ones then are different. This is an American variety. These ones are called Brandywine. These are a lot more difficult than the French variety. You get the flowers on them, but it's a lot harder to get them to set fruit. And the fruit itself is huge and ugly, but it really tastes delicious. They really are very nice. We planted these ones with basil, which is supposed to keep off whitefly. We've made actually a lot of pesto out of this, maybe about 4 or 5 jars of pesto so far. It's been really good for us as well. This one here then, this is a physalis, which is called Cape Gooseberry as well. It's a member of the same family as tomato. You can see the fruits there grow in those little kind of paper lanterns, I guess you'd call them. So they should be ready by about October. We're planting these. These don't need as much watering as tomatoes, so we planted these ones with thyme down here, and also with some oregano, like here. And again, that's been really good. The leaves on these have gone a little bit yellow, so we did feed them with some nitrogen. It seems to be helping them out a bit. You can see how small these are. The ones that we planted back in February when we put these down, and they really are tiny when they begin. Then we're growing 2 different types of chili peppers. These ones here are habanero. There's an awful lot of flowers on these. So they've been flowering for about 2 months, but it's been very difficult to get them to set fruit. Like, we haven't seen any peppers off those yet. These ones are a different type of chili pepper. These ones are jalapeno. So we've already harvested 1 crop of jalapenos off here, and I mean, they've been really good for producing them. Still got flowers on it. still producing fruit. And then these little dead guys are coriander. We've left these in here so we can save the seeds off of it, so that there would be one. So far we've got a lot of seeds off it. Again, another jalapeno, and then finally this monster is dill. And again, we've left the flowers on here so we can save the seeds off it and plant them again next year. Alright, cool. Alright, well, thanks very much. I hope you've enjoyed looking around our greenhouse.